Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Crosstrek key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth ready to protect your work surface and the key fob itself. This ensures a smooth and scratch-free process. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by removing the physical key, which usually slides out from the top or side. Next, look for a small notch or slot along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick note of which side, positive or negative, is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Reinsert your physical key, and then test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.